is Perez Oyando Mondi. I am a trainer here at Kidz Africa, and I'm also one of the trainers who took part in training the post-form 4s in the post-form 4 crash coding program that just ended. The post-form 4 crash coding program is a program by Kidz Africa that is aimed to provide Form 4 graduates with employability skills that will help them in their next steps. For this interview, we are going to listen to Jasmeet Kur and Lorena here on what they have to say about the program and how the program impacted them. Introduce yourself.
My name is Lorena Iha, and I am a graduate of the Post-Form 4 Crash Coding program at Kidz Africa.
What was the situation before you began this training? Were you confident enough to use computer? Did you have the skills to use computer? What was your attitude towards using computer?
Initially, I had done a bit of introduction to computers in high school, and I used computers only for probably playing games and watching movies, but I really did not understand truly how to use a computer.
Now that you have taken this program and you have graduated, do you feel more confident about this program, and do you feel more confident about using the computer? Have you also gained skills that will help you advance in life technically?
I'm definitely more confident when it comes to computers and technology-based topics. At first, I view them as a bit difficult, and as a language-oriented person, I really found it difficult to interact with technology in general. But after doing the course, I've really understood that things aren't really as hard as they seem to be. And after a lot of effort and patience with myself, and really from the teachers and those guiding us during the course, I've really been able to understand computers and basically how to use the internet at large. And because they've also guided us with more resources, not only in class, but generally they've given us a lot of information that we can use at home, and even when showing others how to operate computer.
Did you have any challenges while you were taking this program? Could you tell us more about the challenges and what made you motivated to continue doing the program till this far?
I experienced a bit of challenges when I was introducing myself a bit more to the technology part and all, because as a language-oriented person, I view technology and all this computer stuff a bit conk, if I may call it. But the teachers and the guiders here have really shown us how to break down the information and given us a lot of resources that can help us even when they're not around. For example, when we're at home.
Are there resources that you have used during this process? And could you tell us at least more about these resources and what you've learned from the resources? Have you been able to come up with projects?
It has improved my confidence when it comes to relating to technology and all that. The teachers have given me sites, for example, Code Academy, Free Code, and they give enough guidance that I can be able to code and even learn how to use computers more when I'm at home and have no guidance. Through Canva, I've been able to do a bit of posters, graphic design in general.
What will you tell other people who probably haven't heard about this program? Is it something to recommend to other students or rather your friends and even your family?
I would definitely recommend it to all my friends and anyone who is interested in computers. Whether you've done it in high school or not, it's definitely a really good course for anyone to do. What
would you love to tell the Kidz Africa team? And do you have any trainers who took you through this program that you'd love to give a shout out to?
I'd like to say thank you to all my teachers, that is Teacher Abdi, Teacher Bashir, and Teacher Peter. They have really guided me and shown me that computers aren't really that hard to deal with.
So ladies and gentlemen, Kidz Africa is a tech academy, and we aim to transform the community. It's always a child at a time through coding and technology. Our mission also is to empower future innovators. Don't miss out on being empowered as a future innovator. Go check our social media handles. We are on Instagram, we are on Facebook, we are on X, And we also have a YouTube channel. So feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also we have fire programs coming up for you and your child. To whoever who is watching this, feel free to contact us. Our offices are also located at Ratna Square in Nyali. And do not miss out on this great opportunity for you to be empowered as a future innovator, for your child to be empowered, for your brother to be empowered, for your sister to be empowered, your uncle, your aunt, and everyone that is around you, even your friends. Thank you so much, and don't miss out on this.